I just picked up the Hot Wheels Monster Truck 2024 F case. Who wants to check out the brand new monster trucks in this case?
Oh, you know I do.
I don't remember Fred Flintstone's truck quite looking like this. This is what a monster truck would look like if my 16-year-old daughter got in and drove it around. I am super excited to show you a couple new castings in this case. I'm a little out of order on my cases. I just opened the 2023 M case, and before that I opened up the 2024 E case. The links are above. But now I'm back on track, and let's get this F case opened up. Let me get my ultra cool pocket knife. And there we have it. Let's get out the first truck of this F case. And the first one up is old Demo Derby. How many times have I seen this truck in the past? He's in the Hot Wheels live truck, so you can see him in person. He's got a blue roll cage, he has a yellow chassis, and a yellow crushed car. I always like these paint streaks on the tire. And on the back, his crash attack is Power Slide Punch. It's always kind of cool to get another Demo Derby. Next truck up. All right, we got a new recolor on Gotta Dump. I have to admit, I love this truck. There's a couple reasons why, and I'll show you in a minute. But as you can see, he's of the Freestyle Wreckers, and his crash attack is riding dirty. All right, but let's open him up and take a closer look. He's got the blue crushed car. Oh, who doesn't love this recolor? That is pretty sweet. A big old dump truck. That's kind of cool. I like this big Gotta Dump here. Hot Wheels monster truck there. He's got a black roll cage and a dirty brown chassis. I like the dirty tread on these tires. But isn't that a sweet monster truck? Let's listen to him rev his engine. All right, that's disgusting. And the next truck up is a cool new recolor on High Tail Hauler. I love when they do trucks with these white wall tires. Those are beautiful tires. He's of the Freestyle Wreckers. I love the pinstriping. He's got a cool red roll cage, and he has a gray chassis and a green crushed car. On the back, his crash attack is 56 Smash. That is an awesome new recolor. All right, and the next truck up in the case is old 5 Alarm. I got this exact truck, but still a really cool casting. Again, it's of the Monster Trucks Live, so you can see it in person. He's got a black roll cage and a silver chassis. He's got a blue crushed car, and his crash attack is Fireball Stomp. It's always fun to get another good old 5 Alarm in the collection. And the next truck up is Wild Wrecker. And that is a pretty sweet paint job we got on there. We got a variety of green scales on the top. He's got some leopard print. He's got some peacock feathers. He's got the yellow roll cage and the green chassis, cool green wheels. He's of the Stripes Earn collection, and his crash attack is Roaring Engine. Now that is a sweet paint job. All right, next truck up in the case. Oh, there he is, the Flintstone monster truck. This is the truck I've been trying to get my hands on for quite some time, so I just ordered the case. But how cool is this? I mean, can't you see Fred Flintstone driving around in this? We're gonna open this up, but real quick, let's see what his crash attack is. Two-footed engine. That's hilarious, and that makes perfect sense. Let's open it up really quick. All right, he's got another yellow crushed car. Not a fan of these. I don't remember Fred Flintstone's truck quite looking like this. I guess this is what you get when you have a monster truck. You need a ladder to climb up there. I could definitely see Fred and Barney climbing into this monster truck. Just a really cool casting and very unique design. I even love the color of these tires. It just all goes together really well. I like the color of the truck, and it continues down into the roll cage. He's got a gray chassis, and this truck's definitely going to be in my next sled push series. All right, next truck up in the case. And I really like this new recolor of the Bigfoot. I like the orange body. He's got the Firestone there. He's got Bigfoot there. He's got a gray roll cage and a silver chassis, a green crushed car. But I think part of why I like this so much is I like the black wheels and black rims. It's of the Leading Legends series, and his crash attack is the original monster truck. So who doesn't like another cool Bigfoot? All right, final truck in the case. And last and not least is this brand new one called Total. He's got some really cool card art, and check out this monster truck. I like the light blue paint. It's got the stars and stripes. I love the color of the tires. He's of the Hot Wheels monster truck Back to Basics, and his crash attack is Slam Dunk. Let's open it up real quick. Orange crushed car. Now this is a really cool monster truck. Look at the damage to the hood and to the back. He's got some cool decos, stunt team, and Hot Wheels monster trucks. This is what a monster truck would look like if my 16-year-old daughter got in and drove it around. This is a very cool and unique design monster truck. Let's see a whole series on this. And there you have it, the 2024 Monster Truck F case. You guys, if you like this video, please give it a thumbs up. More monster truck racing to come very soon. Thanks for watching, everybody, and take care.